I'm from a banking industry, so definitely yes, being finance, you have lot of stress, trust me. Because of that, there was a continuous hair fall and hair thinning.
Does that impact your confidence at work or overall when you look at yourself?
I meet clients day in and day out. Nothing was clicking. I mean, I used to meet my client, I was not getting work. I was like, what's wrong with me? I was losing that confidence. So one of my friends suggested that Assure. So I was like, okay, the name itself had a weightage and we see the name first for all the companies. And then I was like, this is the place. I mean,
what was the reaction of your office colleagues and everyone?
To be honest, they'll be like, आएंगे ना, पक्का आएंगे ना, तेरे यहाँ बाल आएंगे ना तो मैं भी कराऊंगा. People who are thinking कि ये टिकेगा कि नहीं, boss, you can see me. Result speaks, nothing else. See, hair is, I would say, the most important part when you meet a person. In today's world, your personality, your appearance is very important. Now I have to reduce weight because now I want to look good. Trust me, I was 25 kg down from whatever I am right now. And trust me, all thanks to Assure, I mean, I'm able to develop myself, grow myself, and I'm very happy. I have a daughter, she comes to me and literally she's like, she stands here, she, just takes all my hair, scratching me, doing, playing with my hair and everything. And for me, it is very personal, very touchy moment that if I was bald, if I was bald, if I didn't have hair,
I know.
I mean, what?